Our finalists look so confident on stage, aren't they, winners?
Absolutely. Like they said, tomorrow we're interviewing them earlier. This is something they don't even have to fake anymore. This is for real.
Alright, I'm sure all the people here at the Violent Center already count their own bets on who will be this year's winner.
Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure they're already rooting for someone. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for all 15 finalists for the 2011 Fitness First New You Achievement Awards. We already know all of them are winners in their own right, but we can only have one category winner and one overall winner tonight.
And speaking of winners, we have prizes.
Of course.
And lots of prizes to all of our finalists. Each of our finalists will receive Fitness First premium merchandise, gift certificate from Nestle 0% fat ice cream, 500 pesos worth of gift certificate from Fruit Magic, my favorite, and 1 month gift certificate from Fitness First.
For our category winners and their personal trainers, just to let you know, they both don't have to go to the place at the same time. You can go separately. Let me just make sure that is clear. Each will receive a 3-day, 2-night stay at the Pearl of the Pacific, Boracay. Once again, they don't have to share the room, okay? This is worth 20,000 pesos and 3,000 pesos worth of Davidoff Champion perfume. They can smell good.
That is amazing. Now, for this year's overall winner, his or her personal trainer, each will receive 1-year Fitness First membership, an 8,000 peso worth gift certificate from Marks & Spencer, an overnight stay at One Tagaytay for 4, a 2,000 peso gift certificate from Fruit Magic, and a gift certificate from Nestle 0% fat ice cream products. Now, the overall winner will also get, or will win, an HTC Wildfire Android phone. What about that?
Goodness me. Give it up, please, for the amazing prizes that we're giving away. And you know, earlier we mentioned for the category winner and also the personal trainer, they bring home something. They also have prizes for the nutritionists. For the category winners, nutritionists, each will receive a 3-day, 2-night stay at the Pearl of the Pacific, Boracay, also worth 20,000 pesos. So category winner, the trainer, and the nutritionist all get to bring home amazing prizes.
I envy our finalists and so much for the trainers. Could we join?
Are you already hinting to everyone, including Mr. Mark Ellis, to be on the lookout for you for next year?
I could be their PA for the meantime. I'm sure they'd love someone to take some pictures. So that next year, when the awards night, we have cool pictures from Boracay to post.
Okay,
Amen.
well, we'll just have to watch out, potentially seeing Steve Patrick next year. As our finalists are preparing for the next round of competition, allow our guest performer to spike up our Mardi Gras party a whole lot more.
Is that me?
It can be. You're going to have the big headdress?
Oh, no, sorry.
Okay, we'll have to make another thing to look forward to. Now, folks, a round of applause for one of our very own, one of Fitness First's personal trainers. You're going to see a whole different side of him tonight.
Very talented.
I know, I can't wait to see this performance. Please give it up for Mr. Jam Ocampo.